Vivo has just launched its latest flagship smartphones. The lineup includes 3 models: the Vivo X200, Vivo X200 Pro, and Vivo X200 Pro Mini. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini come in black, white, green, and pink shades. The Pro Mini will feature a 6.31-inch OLED display with flagship-level features, including LTPO 120Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits of brightness with 1.5K resolution. The X200 Pro Mini features a Sony LYT-818 main camera and 200MP Zeiss APO telephoto camera, a 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 32MP selfie camera. The X200 come in MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor and paired with up to 16GB of RAM. The X200 Pro Mini offers a still respectable 5700 mAh unit, with 90W wired charging and 30W wireless charging. The X200 Pro Mini prices of 4,699 Chinese yuan for 12GB per 256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.